ideally we don't want to repair, right? If we can do things the right way, then we wouldn't have to repair. But oftentimes when damage is done, we need to fix things. And how do we fix them before people leave? I think that's, you don't have a really big window to repair, from the moment you cause harm to the moment when people are like, I've had enough, I'm gonna go. So that window is not really long because people burn out. So in that small window, it's important to repair, because one, you don't want to lose them. Like if they're really good talent, if they're really good workers, you of course you want to keep them around. And two, from the company's reputation perspective, when people leave, people talk. So I've heard stories about, certain companies, they advertise them as these, great company, provide great products and service. But then as soon as people leave, they talk, they leave a review on Glassdoor, for example. Then over time, people find out, oh, actually, you know what? As a woman of color, I don't want to work at that company. So really, repair is so important because you want to honestly, sincerely protect your reputation, and you want to do the right thing. So I think for those reasons, yeah, it's really important to repair and fix the damages and improve from there, because you do want to do good. It's not just about putting out the fire, it's about how to not start a fire again.